There's a lot on my mom's side.
Okay. You don't know what tribe?
No, man.
Okay. Can you ask your mom?
Like right now?
No, just, and let your, let
Yeah.
your worker let
Yes.
you
Yes, ma'am.
know. Okay. Okay, and let's see, have y'all ever been to any sort of court, child support court or anything regarding your child?
No, ma'am.
Mom also has some Indian heritage, probably Canadian though.
Okay,
But I just didn't want you to pass by that topic without us making sure you knew that.
okay, I'll write that down, thank you. No prior court orders or anything like that, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Robertson, are you on the birth certificate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, when CPS came into y'all's house, did they give y'all warnings about what they were there for? You didn't have to talk to them, things like that?
Yes.
I wasn't here.
Yeah, they talked to me. They came to my boss's house.
Okay, and they did give you all those warnings, correct?
I believe so, yes.
Okay. Placement is with mom's family, is that correct?
Yes,
And where does she live?
Del Rio.
Del Rio?
Mhm.
Well, not real close, but could be in Texas, could be way farther. So that's not that bad. Okay. Okay. What else do you need, Mr. Wilson?
Let's see. I don't think we need anything else, Judge. Ms. Donnell is here. I don't know if she knows who our worker is going to be, but we can ask her. She's nodding.
Yes, the worker will be Johanna Foster.
Okay, good. Okay. I'm looking up for our next court date real quick. Okay. Parents, I forgot to ask y'all, do y'all agree that all hearings can be, future hearings can be held via Zoom, or do you need to come see me in person?
Zoom is fine.
Fine.
If there's a reason, I'll ask you.
Okay, agreed Zoom, that's fine. Everybody else does agreed Zoom. I'm in person at the courthouse with the county attorney's office, but the lawyers always prefer Zoom because they can get more accomplished that way. Okay, thank you. Ms. McClure, what do y'all need?
Brooke, did you want to tell the court real quickly the one thing we talked about yesterday that you wanted the court to know?
There's some of the affidavit was wrong. The gentleman, Michael Murrell, had reported to CPS after I turned him down to be his sugar baby. And I just wanted to correct a few things. If y'all want to wait till next hearing, I would like that too.
Do you want to submit a file with the clerk, like a copy of the affidavit with the stuff marked through, so it's a record?
Yes, ma'am.
That might be a more efficient way of doing, so at least that's filed. Ms.
Okay.
McClure, what do you think about that?
That's fine. She's not opposing the removal or anything. She's not contesting that. She's just wanting the court to know that there were things that were said by certain people in that affidavit that were not true. That doesn't affect the moving forward, but she just wants the court to know that there were inaccuracies. So this happened very rapidly, very, very little time between the time I got the file and we were able to talk and we had this hearing. So and she's not in a good medical state right now. She had to go and get some treatment. She's going to have to go back to the hospital today for some medical issues. So she's not feeling real good today. But if the court would maybe give us a little time to get that done, we will submit that as a presentation to the court of what she believes are inaccuracies are in the file.
Okay. I think that's probably the easiest way to do it. Yeah, that's fine. That'll work. Okay, good. So Ms. Eder will be expecting some type of filing like that. That's good.
And also, Judge, would you please use your usual order where the ad litem's in the department can agree on increased visits and because, you know, I do want these both parents to be able to see the Lucas as quickly as possible and as much as possible.
I got something I'd like to say.
Hold on. Everybody's lawyer might have a different opinion on whether y'all should talk or not. So just hold on a second. We ain't gotten to you yet. Ms. McClure, anything else?
No, ma'am, that's all I needed to talk about.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Grove.
I love it when Miss McClure is on a case with me, Judge, because she takes care of all of my work for me. I've never heard of Canadian Native American heritage. I'm going to have to look into that. I assume, yeah. As far as my client having comments, sir, I'll ask that you send me an email so we can discuss those and not take up the court's time. If it's something that the court needs to be made aware of, we can certainly do it through other channels outside of open hearing right now.
Okay, that's just covering you, helping protect you, Mr. Robertson. Okay, Casa, what do y'all need? Casa,
I'm not for sure if we
Yeah.
need drug tests on the parents.
okay. We need like a hair strand, what do y'all, hair strand?
I would like hair strands, yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about on Lucas?
If we could, I don't know if he's showing any signs of anything. I haven't spoken to placement yet.
Okay,
Judge, could we get a hair strand and a UA test ordered on the chance that the hair strand is positive? I want to have a baseline UA, and then obviously everyone will be looking for any positive results that may be in the hair strand to be decreasing as time goes on.
okay, well, I have to set the hair strand. I have to give a deadline, and I'm gonna do that by 2 p.m. on Friday. Friday will be the 3rd. And department will tell everybody where to go. The department will pay for it, and a UA is to happen, you know, as soon as
Yes, ma'am. Thank
As soon
you.
as what?
possible.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't tell people when the UA is gonna be. I mean, the hair strand, that's a different deal. So, okay. Okay, what else, Mr. Grove?
That's
Oh, no,
all.
we're talking to Costa.
Oh,
Ms. Singleton, what about on Lucas?
I guess I don't want him to have one unless the parents come up positive, because I don't know of anything that's.
Can y'all hear her? I didn't hear. Can y'all hear her?
No, I missed half of it.
Yeah, me too. What'd you say, ma'am?
I'm okay with not testing him for now. I would, if the parents' hair tests come back positive, then I might ask for one.
They're gonna come back positive. There's no doubt about it coming back positive. Like,
Okay.
there's no doubt
Thank
at all.
you.
That's why we're going through with all this, so we can get to a better place and get our son back.
Okay.
Okay, Miss Pilly, you have your hand raised. What did you want to say, Miss Pilly?
I was just gonna let the court know that I had received the UA back from mom today.
Okay, what were the
And
results?
so I was gonna let Casa know that, since she was waiting for that.
Okay, what's the results?
They are amphetamines and methamphetamines positive for over 20,000.
Okay, what about the dad? Did he do a UA?
He did. It was negative for on his UA.
Okay, good. Good. Okay.
So I would like one on this, on him, on the
Okay.
child.
Okay. Anything else, Miss Singleton?
No, ma'am, we're good.
We were testing Lucas.
Yeah, they're
Miss-
testing it, but Lucas doesn't have anything in his system.
Okay, hold on, ma'am. Miss Harris, anything you need for as attorney ad litem?
No, Judge, I think it's all been taken care of. The drug test for the child, I think it's important. I'm worried about the home conditions, the living conditions. And I have spoken with placement and they do report he's doing well. They've got everything they need. So they're fine right now. I just need permission to travel out to see him so I can get to meet him at some point.
Yes, ma'am. You have that permission. Okay, well, I'm gonna name the department as the agreed temporary managing conservator of Lucas right now. I'm gonna order, parents, I'm not gonna order any monetary child support, but what I do need y'all to do is if, you know, the caregiver needs lunch money, he needs a school box, he needs a jacket, you know, all that kind of basic stuff that y'all will probably be providing anyway. I need y'all to provide that to the caregivers and caregiver, excuse me, CPS or the ad litems, any of them can ask to, for y'all to provide whatever is they feels reasonable. I'm gonna say visits is agreed by CPS and ad litems. Y'all can work that out, however y'all can do based on the distance. If y'all want to Zoom or FaceTime, however y'all communicate with Lucas, that's fine. I don't have any problem with that. I'm gonna order y'all to submit to a hair strand by 2 p.m. on October 3rd.
The tension spikes as the father tries to speak out and the judge.
The department, Ms. Foster, who's going to be y'all's caseworker, I don't see her on here, but she or somebody in that CPS unit will get with y'all and tell you where to go, and they'll make arrangements for it. I want the department to do a hair strand on Lucas. That should be done by the next hearing, with the results back by the next hearing. Can you write that down? Okay, between now and our next hearing, which is called a status hearing, and I'm going to set that on 11/12/25. Between now and then, there'll be a meeting called a family group conference, and at the family group conference, y'all go over what's needed to be able to get Lucas back in your care, like, you know, maybe drug treatment or counseling or, you know, whatever. I don't go to those meetings, so y'all just do whatever. So anyway, we come back to the status hearing on that November date, and I'm sure y'all probably would have already started working on your services, which would be great. And anyway, at that time, I make it a court order. So, you know, you got just regular court orders from day. You'll have all these little nitpicking things that are about services that are other court orders also. I tell everybody that you need to comply with your service plan, which will be a court order, and all the other court orders. The quicker we can get compliance and get everything back on the right track, or the quicker you can get all of us out of y'all's lives and get Lucas back home. Okay. So got that. Everybody's agreed that all the hearings can be held via Zoom. Mr. Grove, you sent me Mr. Robertson's application for court appointed attorney, correct?
Yes, ma'am. I sent it this morning to both of your email addresses. I wasn't sure whether your official one was back up.
Bad.
I'm shocked to hear that, Judge. I wonder if Tyler Technologies has anything to do with that.
No, it's really just the state this time. Let me look at it real. I saw it, but I didn't have time to.
I wonder if she got my email. I emailed last.
I know. Ms. McClure, what about clients? Has she filled hers out?
She did. She sent it to me late yesterday, and I'm looking at it just real quickly. It looks like she actually did a really good job. I think it might be good enough to just go ahead and send to you without any clarifications or elaborations. So yes.
Okay. Let me I if I go to the right email that's working now. Yeah, no, our emails still are not working. So if y'all need me, use my Gmail. Let's see. Mr. Robertson, did you ever work for Mark Buck?
No, no.
Okay, I see a Buck's Construction. Oh, it was in
Alva.
Okay. Let's see. Client, mom, Brooke. Okay. Okay, Mr. Grove, it's approved. You can go on and e-file it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ms. McClure, you just want to send it to me real quick? No? You're muted.
Sorry. I've got 4 different things going on my computers right now because today is billing day. And so as soon as we get off this hearing, I will send this to you.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay, well, I don't have to do my little spiel on that because y'all are good. Okay, anybody need anything else? Okay, well, y'all got a cute little man, and y'all are lucky we have family that is placement. We've not very, very, very often, believe it or not, we don't have family that's good placement. So y'all are very, very fortunate that Lucas can be with family. So start doing your UAs and get, I know y'all get on your service plans, and we wish y'all the best of luck.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay. Well, since nobody needs anything else, y'all have a good rest of the afternoon, and thank y'all for coming, and I'll see y'all on Zoom in November. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
Will be. Thank you.
Now we reach the final verdict. The judge lays down strict orders but reminds them family is their last shot at redemption, closing this case with both warning and mercy. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.